Hello friends, it's Snoopy. This is my husband's miniature samurai armor set for the boys' festival. My husband is assembling it. He decided to give the replica to a friend abroad. I'm filming this video to show him how to assemble it. The boys' festival in Japan is called Tango no Sekku and is celebrated every year on 5 May. Families with boys display miniature samurai armor and helmets as a symbol of man's pride and a wish to protect against illnesses and accidents. My husband's grandfather bought this set when he was born. What he is assembling now is a miniature Ooyoroi, the most formal type of armor for high-ranking samurai. It was used for combat from the Middle Heian through the late Kamakura periods. It was loose-fitting defensive armor originally designed for mounted archers. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね